We're eating out because Tito wants to eat outside. He said he has no appetite, so let's look at him. No, maybe he can have an appetite. He likes to eat crispy pork chop and bulalo, beef bulalo. That's what he wants to eat for today. Me, I'm full now. I'm very full now. I almost want to finish my excuse me. What's an occasion? No occasion. If he feels like to eat outside, that's what he wants. We need to go outside. Even though I cook plenty in the house, let's get sometimes still looking outside. See? Looks like we could not finish and we are taking it out. Take home and and we are in contrast. He likes cold tea and me hot tea. See ya. He likes cold, I like hot. That's why we are cold and hot. Cold and hot. So crispy. See, so crispy. Eh? So crispy. Yan. So crispy. This one is kumangay almost all of Filipino recipe here in Palau. And they are famous for this lechon kawali and bulalo. So okay, we're gonna eat first again and bye.